Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Thursday, January 21st. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. So let's take a look here. Today we will be looking at the chart of the S&P SPX 45 minutes chart here. Today it has broken to a new all-time high again. Now this is cash, okay, cash S&P, not the futures. It has broken to new all-time high. And so that means the next leg higher has already started, and any pullback therefore should continue to find support from this point on in the shorter cycle against 3750 here. So any trace pullback should find support against 3750 for further upside again in S&P. Okay, so we can see right here we ended 1 and 2 here, right, in the minor degree, and then now that means we are now within wave 3 in the minor degree, which should subdivide into 5 waves, and we are calling this 1 of 3 here. In the minute degree, this is 2 of 3, and now we are within the wave 3 of 3 to the upside. Now looking at the larger degree or larger time frame, to give you a context, now this is the 1 and 2 in minor degree here, this is the 1 and 2. So we have major secondary low somewhere around late last year, and since then we continue to rally higher. So we're looking at this move here. So this could be a multiple nest in between, some sort of 1 2 1 2 1 2 here, and I think the focus right now is in the shorter cycle, so we will not look and discuss about the long-term target or things like that, but it's mostly for short term. Now we can see this is 1 and 2. We are within wave 3, and we're calling this 1 and 2, 1 of 3 and 2 of 3 here, right? So at least in terms of possibilities, right, options, I think one possible option here is the idea that that this might be a 1 2 3 4 diagonal, 5 ending 1 here, right? So that's one possibility, one option. Now in that kind of alternate scenario, we are not ending 1 of 3 here, but we are ending 1 as a diagonal, 1 2 3 4 5. So in that case, the pullback is going to be bigger pullback because then the pullback is not just correcting this, as what you're seeing here in the 1 hour, just correcting this latest rally here, but the pullback is going to correct this entire 5 waves move. So that's one possibility, one option. But still, regardless whichever degree it is correcting, still is going to find support in 3711 swing and still favoring more upside in the indices, right? Now if we take a look at the RSI, the momentum, seems like there is no divergence at the peak here. This is a 45 minutes, no divergence at the peak, suggesting that this is less likely to be a wave 5, because wave 5 typically will come with some sort of divergence in the momentum, but this one comes without divergence here, so suggesting that I think this count for now is a more preferable count instead of saying this is 1 2 3 4 and then 5, right? So because of there's no divergence, we're calling this ending here 1 and 2 as the connector from here, and then now we start a new cycle to the upside. So any pullback therefore should continue to find support now in 3711 swing against this 3750 to the upside. Now in terms of a minimum sort of target, so like what is exactly the minimum target? Well, if you measure 100% extension of the 1 and 2 here, now you have a target that was 3943, which is the minimum 100%. Now if this is with 3, can potentially extend higher, but at least some sort of minimum target can be some 100%, which is this 3943 right here. Now another possibility here is if you just measure it from here, even if you just measure it from here, which is sort of the shortest high sequence, then it is also still missing the target here, 3917, which is the 100%. So regardless, however you want to measure it, it still implies more upside is likely to happen, and therefore again this is the most aggressive count, calling this one too, and any pullback should hold above 3750 for more upside. With the sort of, this is the minimum target that we can expect, 3917 here, which is 100% extension here. It can also go like this if this is 1, and then this is 2, and then this is 3949. Can even go more than that. So I guess we are going to 4,000 right now. Soon we should be reaching the 4,000 levels. All right, so that's the update here. I hope you enjoy it, and as always, if you do want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial. I will provide the link in the description of the video, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.